Alright, Grandma, Grandpa, Nana, Papa, watch this. See how irritated she gets when you take away her popsicle? Oh, she's being a good girl for camera all of a sudden. Hold on, what happened? Oh, there we go, she's getting mad. Give me my popsicle, Mom. Give it to me. Oh. See, now she's a happy baby. She got her popsicle. Allie, is it good? Is it yummy? Better give it to her. Okay, that's it for now. Cranky baby.